For number 8, the cyclist complete a long distance this. The total distance is this. It starts the event 1st May and cycle 200 kilometers on that day. So I think this is about the sequence. Reduce the distance cycle by 5 kilometers. How far? 15. Okay. So if we see reduce the distance by 5. So it means first if it is 200 kilometers, so for the U1, so the next one will be the 195. Okay, so it asks us to find the 15. So we put the formula U15 equals to U1, so 200 plus 15 minus 1. The difference is 5, so I think I better put minus 5. So I shall get this 100, 14 times 4, 14 times 4, 70. So minus 7, so 1/3. That is for AI. For the AI, on what date he will finish the event. So from here, we use this total distance that. So it means it is Sn, but we do not know the n. So Sn equals to n over 2 times 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. So the Sn, the total is 3050 equals to the n over 2. The n, the one we don't want to find. 2 times 200, so 400. Plus n minus 1. The difference is minus 5. This I move to there, so I got 6,100. So n times 400 minus 5n plus 5. So 6,100 equals to 5n minus 5 n squared. Everything I move it to the left, I got 5n squared minus 405n plus 20. So everything I divided by 5. Simplify it. So n squared minus, this is 81, n plus 1220. So if we factorize it, I shall get so n minus, let's 20, 61, so 0. So I will get n equals to 20 or n equals to 61. Now for the 8b, we have a geometric progression. The third term is 8 times the 6 terms. The sum of the 6 terms. Okay, so the third term, so u3 equals to 8 times of the u6. So we put the formula u1 times the ratio. We know the ratio? No, we don't know the ratio of n minus 1. So 8 times u1 times with the r the power 5. So if you want to, I think we can delete this, the u1 first. So we can get this r squared equals to 8r power 5. Actually, we cannot delete the u1 directly like that, but because this is the case of the sequence, we can delete it. So this everything I divide by the r squared. So 1 equals to 8r to the power 3. So 1 over 8 equals to r to the power 3. So r equals to, and then we can get we can get the u1 by this the sum of the 6 terms. So s6 equals to that is 31 up 62 62 63 63 63 over 2. And then we can put the formula, the S6, it is the U1 times with 1 minus the ratio, it is half. The power of 6 over 1 minus the ratio, 1 over 2 equals to 63. And then this, if we calculate this, this is 1. Okay, like, we calculate that. So the U1 will be 16. Okay, that's for the I. And then for the I sum to infinity. So it is U1 over 1 minus R. So the U1 is 16 over 1 minus half. So we got it is 32. That's for number 8. For number 9, because this is factor, so I will not discuss about that. I will go directly for number 10. For number 10, it said we have the function this fx. So find the range of f. So we have this the domain 0 until pi on 180 degree. 0, 180 degree. So it means we have the sign there. Oh, we have this is 2x. Okay, I will change the domain become 2x first. So if this everything times 2, then 0 degree x by 60 degree. Okay, so if I have value, so fx to 5 minus 2 sine 2x. Okay, when the x, I think for this, we better try to sketch it so we can directly answer for the II as well. So if we sketch it, the sign, first we have to find what? The midline first. Remember, the midline is this. It's 5. So this is the 5. Let us say it's here. And then we have the amplitude, it is minus 2. So the top, it should be 7. The bottom, it should be only the 3. And then because the amplitude is minus, so I think the sketch will be like this. Go down first and then go up. And we have to check the period. So the period goes to, remember this is 360 degree divided by this, by 2. So it is 180 degree. So to make it one period, So this should be 180 degree, or it is, let us say this is pi. Pi. So the range of this we can see from the picture, the range should be 3 until 7. So 3 fx 7. So we directly answer two of them, I and II. And then for the III, solve the equation when fx equals to 6. Okay. So we change the fx becomes 6. So 6 equals to 5 minus 2 times sine 2x, like this. So we we move the location first. So this becomes plus 2 sine 2x equals to minus 1. So sine 2x equals to minus 1 over 2. So for 2x, actually we have this, right? If we find it from the calculator, sine minus half minus 0.5 sine 0. So minus 30 degree. So one is minus 30 degree. But if we see in 2x, we only have the positive. So this we plus it with 360 degree. So we got 2x equals to 330 degree. Or we can get the other one, the 2x in the, we only take the value, the one that we got the value from the calculator, minus 30 degree, we only take the 30 degree. The quadrant for the negative, negative should be in the third quadrant. Third quadrant, it should be 180 degree plus 30 degree. So we got 2x equals to 210 degree. And then for the x, we can get 1 is 330 divided by 2, 165 degree. And then for the other one, 210 divided by 2. So 105 degree. Or we can change it into radian. We can change it into radian. This with times with pi over 180 degree. So 165 degree e times 3. So first is 2.88 radian. And then the other one, 105, it is 1.83 radian. So for this, it is 2.88 and 1.83. Okay, that is for III. Now for the IV. Okay, let me clean this first. We have the GX this. Find the largest value of K. It has inverse. Just now we already draw the picture. It's like this. This is 5, this is 3, 7. So it should be this. And this is pi. So to make that it has inverse. So usually we do horizontal line test. So if we do the horizontal line test here, randomly, it will cross 2 points. If it cross 2 points, it means it does not inverse. So we have to set the domain. So if you want to set the domain, this, we draw it again. This is 5, this is 7, this is 3. This is the midline, and then it means we only have to draw it until here only. This is this part. Only this pi over 4. So this pi over 4. So the k must be pi over 4. So when we do the horizontal line test, it will only cross 1 point. We randomly do it. Okay, that's for IV. For the V, for this value of k, pi over 4, so we have to find the G inverse. Okay. So, okay, y equals to 5 minus 2 sine 2x. So I will make it 2 sine x equals to 5 minus y. So sine 2x equals to 5 minus y, 2. So 2x equals to sine inverse 5 minus y over. So x equals to sine inverse 5 minus y over. We can change it back to g inverse sine inverse 5 minus x over 2 over 2. That is for the v. Okay, I think that's the last question for this paper. I hope that you understand about this paper. If you have question, you can put the comment there. I will try to understand or answer your question. Okay, thank you for today. Happy New Year, everyone. Good luck.